Hi everyone. Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for a certificate step by step. This is an excellent way to make certificates easy to verify or share digitally. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, locate the certificate you want to create a QR code for. If it's hosted online, copy the link to the certificate. To do this, simply go to the certificate page, right-click on the address bar, and select Copy. Step 2. Next, open your browser and search for QR Code Monkey or any other QR code generator of your choice. Click on the website link to open it. Once you're on the site, look for the input box where you can enter URLs. Step 3. Now, paste the link you copied into the URL input box. From here, you can customize your QR code to make it more visually appealing. For example, you can change the colors, add a logo, such as the logo of your organization, or even choose a unique design. To do this, click on Customize Design and make the adjustments you prefer. Step 4. Once you're satisfied with the look of your QR code, scroll down and click on the Create QR Code button. After the QR code is generated, click on Download PNG to save it to your device. Now you can print or share the QR code along with your certificate. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for your certificate. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.